Alright folks, here comes San Joaquin train 710. Southbound destination of this train is Bakersfield. Now this is it. Here she comes now with NPCU leading. (90225). And NPCU 90215 and F59PHI 2003. Nice. 2 NPCUs. One in the front, one in the back. And also thanks for the horn show, 90225. Alright, this train continues on to Hanford, Corcoran, Wasco, and the final destination of this train is Bakersfield. At Bakersfield Station, there are bus connection services towards Southern California, including downtown LA's Union Station in Los Angeles. Yep. Live in my hometown of Fresno, folks. Thank y'all for watching, and I'm out. Until next time. See ya.